Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're back with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. This time we have this wacky looking dog here. Look at those eyes. These are cool. Check that out. This one, it looked like it had a moving mouth gimmick. I don't know if it works. I'm going to have to check it out. I think this is one of those that as you do it, it rolls its tail just like this. And it flips around and rolls around and all that good stuff. I don't know if the batteries are working. And I'm going to try it out right now. Oh, yeah. The belly, but this whole thing is... Hold on, let me lock it into place here. Hold on. That's what it's supposed to do. Come on! There he is. I guess this would be good if you had a dog or a cat or something and you wanted to surprise the dog or cat. It's like rolling over and laughing. I'll tell you what. This is... If I can get that tail thing to stop doing its thing, this will be a good mechanism to have if I want a laugh track. I think it is. Okay, I'm gonna try and stop him. That keeps wanting to spin. There we go. I'll tell you what. This is gonna be I should say an easy one because this little deal just slides right out like this. That part is easy. There is, I believe, a zip tie in here someplace. It's right there. I can feel it. And we're going to try and take it out in one piece. In fact, there we go. And I'm trying to see if I can find the correct side of the zip tie. Because I could probably, if I get the right one, I could reuse the zip tie for something else. That's upcycling. But I don't know which way it is. Darn it. I'm going to use my pliers, and I'm going to wish for the best. Because I think, whoops, if I get it, did I pop it? Hold on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to reuse this guy. I think that's it right there. That's the one because I think that's the one attached. I might be able to do it. Oh, this would be great if I could upcycle a zip tie from one of these little toys. Come on. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Did I do it? Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I did it. I did it. It's the little things sometimes that make it exciting for me. I have just figured out how to upcycle a zip tie because there it is. I'm going to pull the core out or I'm going to push it in. It's a little sharp right there, so if I get it just right, there it goes. Ready? Awesome! Look at that. A perfectly good zip tie that I can use for another project. I will be saving that. Put it right over there with my Velcro. That's pretty cool. I was trying to use a zip tie for something the other day, and sadly I couldn't use it because it was broken. Right. Okay, another zip tie. This is a little guy, so I'm not really worried about this one. This is the one that is holding the little tail in place. There we go. All right, look at that. And I think that tail's just going to pull right on through. Look at that. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. That laugh track is what I want. I want the laugh track. There is a button here. Oh, it's the mechanism for the mouth. That comes right out there, just like that. Oh, this is sweet. Okay, hold on. I've got to get this. You know, I'm going to try the diagonals and see if I can get to work with the diagonals. It's just like a piece of there. Oh. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Diagonals don't work too well. So I will go on to the scissors. The scissors work great. And there it is. Just like that. And then there's some sort of switch in here. Again, or is that the eyes? What is that? That's weird. There's like a... It's glued in. Oh. It went into one of the eyes, I think. I don't know. It's a little socket on the back of the eye. Let's see. Let me see if it works. Yeah, look at that. Awesome. What can I use this for? If I attach something up here, I think that would work. It's still going. This is so cool. Okay. I'm not going to move. I'll move this. It was this. There's a motion switch in here. Nice. All right. That's pretty cool. This is cool. I don't know what this does. Maybe it's the... oh, you know what it is? There's probably a... oh, there it is. I pulled it right out of this thing. It's a motion sensor. In fact, I'm going to put the little cover back on. There's a little... It poked right through the material, and there's the little sleeve. So if I wanted to use this for something else, I can have it set up on a motion sensor right here. This little guy right there. Again, I'm going to put this in my to work on later pile. And now we have a dog with a hole in its head. That's okay. You won't see it on camera. But this is cool because it has a built-in sleevey thing here, just like that. I can get up here and move the mouth, just like that. I can put my fingers in the arms, kinda. Thumb's gonna be a trick, okay. And there we go. And if I do this just right, I can try and talk for him. Hello. I don't think that's gonna work. Right there, I'd have to almost hold the head and do that and go, hello there. How are you? But that's it. Hey, we made another puppet. I don't even know how much I paid for this guy, but he's pretty cool. And I think we had fun doing it. And I've got a cool gimmick that's sitting over there we're going to use for something else. Hey, thank you very much for coming along on the journey. For those of you who've been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for all of the updates as they come out. And I want to thank you again for coming along on the journey. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let me see if I can do it. Ready? Bye-bye. Bye, buddy. Okay, bye-bye.